Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, power front seats, a power liftgate, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.